I'd like to thank Jimbo Small, Kyle Budlow for the nomination for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I'd like to first dedicate this Ice Bucket Challenge to Bruce Biscoe, who was a contractor who died of ALS 2 years ago. I would also like to donate $100 to the ALS Foundation. I would like to nominate the legend himself, Christian Sabella, my English mate Adam Davies from the UK, my roommate Sam Mazzorco, Jessica Schwartz, Kelly Lewis, Caroline McCormick, Emily Murphy, and my sister, Cindy Sussman.